Shelly and Fraser Pryce said this about the world record and her future plans. Iconic sprint star Shelly and Fraser Pryce has enjoyed quite a phenomenal season so far, including a fifth world title in the 100 meters at the World Championships in Eugene and 4 sub 10.70 clockings in the 100 meters to this point. Unstoppable Shelly Ann really began the 2022 season with a bang, clocking 10.67 at the Kipkeino Classic, and from there, she never looked back. She has recorded the 5 fastest 100-meter times this year, including the world lead of 10.66 seconds, which she set last weekend at the Kamila Skolimowski Memorial in Poland. The iconic track star is in supreme form, and when asked if she can break Florence Griffith Joyner's long-standing 100-meter record of 10.49, the confident champion said, "It's in my thoughts, because seeing what happened last year and this year, I think it's possible. If you're going to dream, your dreams and goals have to be big. I definitely think I am knocking on that door, and in terms of getting my technique right and getting an almost perfect race, I believe I'll be able to push myself close to that. And if I am able to do that, I will be satisfied. It's good to have a dream, no matter how out of the world it may seem to others. I ran 10.60 consistently throughout the season, and one of those times it wasn't close to a perfect race, and it wasn't what I expected, and I was still able to do that. So those things make you optimistic and give you a good outlook that you can definitely get there." While the athlete has mastered the art of running the shortest race, the 200 meters has always been incredibly challenging. However, she does own a world title over the distance, which she claimed in Moscow, Russia, 9 years ago. Just recently, in July of this year, she produced a stellar run to claim the 200-meter silver medal at Hayward Field, and was only bested by the rampant Shericka Jackson. Her compatriot produced the race's second fastest time in history to claim gold. Such are the standards you need to reach if you manage to get the better of the sprint queen when it matters most. However, that may have been the last time we see Fraser Pryce don one of her trademark fluorescent wigs in the 200 meters at a major championship. But she did not rule out competing over the distance again elsewhere. In terms of running the 200 meters at future championships, I doubt that, she said. But running it as a one-off race at a Diamond League or Continental Tour, definitely possible. After producing a stellar career, which includes 3 Olympic titles, 10 World Championship gold medals, as well as winning the Diamond League on 4 separate occasions, Fraser Pryce is one of the greatest sports icons to ever compete. She aims to add even more to her impressive resume and could have the opportunities to do so at next year's World Championships in Budapest and even further on at the 2024 Olympics in Paris. Astonishingly, it appears that Fraser Pryce continues to get better with age, and while her form suggests running beyond the Paris Games is a distinct possibility, the sprinter does not want to look too far ahead. "Are you serious? You want me to run past 2024? She chuckled. "A year at a time, then we'll see how things go. You'll never know. I'll just wait and see what unfolds after that, and then we'll take it from there." Yes, unstoppable Shelly, that sounds like a good plan. Take it one day at a time, one step at a time, 1 year at a time. If you're supposed to continue after the 2024 Olympics, then you definitely will know when that time comes. Continue doing great things, Mommy Rocket. Enough respect, enough love.